Hey guys, so I'm about to head to Publix, get some last minute stuff for the hurricane. They said right now it's a category 3, I think, and by the time it gets to us, it should be tomorrow night. It should be a 4. I'm hoping that it dies down and get back to a tropical storm, but we still gotta get prepared. So I'm gonna go get some chicken and some bread. Thankfully we have all the other stuff, water and all that stuff, so be safe everyone. So Errol's getting some Pringles. We about to get some snacks. Alright girl.
Right in order. Wait.
Hot water.
Dragon fruit, and it's very squishy. And I actually ate one before, but it's then like I didn't get to eat anymore. But it actually tastes really sweet. It's kind of like candy.
Okay. So we got us some fruits because those don't need to be on the fridge. We got some chicken, some Hawaiian rolls, and now we're about to go get some cookies. And we're gonna get some cake. Nope. Yeah, look at the water aisle. Nothing. Good thing we got water a couple days ago. Let's go see the tissue aisle. They have a little bit of tissue, not a lot. Alright guys, so we're heading back home. To all my Floridian friends and families, be safe. Make sure you have your supplies ready just in case it gets bad. And stay prayed up. Love ya. Bye.